Guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to change your primary market on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what you can do is you can head over in here on other settings. And in here, you should be able to scroll down until you can see the option in here for markets. So click on that, and in here, you should be able to see the markets that you have. So my primary one right now is Philippines, but I have Algeria and also international. So let's head over and click on our primary one. And then what we can do is we can click on this edit right here. Once you have click on edit, it will show just like this. So what you can do is you can just choose the ones that you want to replace the Philippines. So for example, let's choose right here for Japan. And then in here, let's locate the Asia for this, which is the Philippines. And then click on save right here. And as you can see, Philippines will be moved to another market. So click on confirm right here. Now, this Philippines right here will be changed to Japan. And when we head back, as you can see, our primary now is Japan. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.